Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now what we need to do is to simply open the settings. So localize this gear icon and tap on it. Then let's tap on languages and types, which is at the top. And here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got Polish right now, so I would like to switch it to English. So let's go to Manage Input Languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. Those are downloaded languages, and here we've got those which are available. So all you need to do is to tap on this download icon and it will be applied. So let me choose English. So let me turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here, and maybe let me download something just to show you how it works. So maybe this one. So just tap on this download icon, let your device do its job, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on this upper section. In this upper section, and it is also immediately turned on. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to share with you the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see here, we've got an additional option which is called language switching method. So let me tap on it, and here we've got spacebar swipe, language key, or both. And I would like to show you both so I can show you how to change the language whilst typing. So let me go back to the keyboard, and here we've got our language key. So this is the globe icon. Thanks to it, we can quickly change the keyboards. Now we've got the English, and here we've got our another language and Polish again. But we can also do it using the spacebar swipe, just like that. As you can see, we can quickly change the language. So if you wish to remove the language, just go back to the settings again, then go back to the languages and types, and here tap on Manage Input Languages. And now all you need to do is to tap on those switchers, the switchers on the languages that you want to delete. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.